Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and putting two heavyweights in the ring: Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, or as I like to call it, Sharky on the left, and Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum, aka Rocky, on the right. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the moolah. Sharky hits your wallet with a $599 price tag. Not too shabby, right? But then comes Rocky, strutting in with a hefty $899 price tag. I mean, does it come with a personal butler too? If you're looking to save some cash for that extra guac at Chipotle, Sharky might be your best bet. Now, suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction. I guess that's like saying you're the tallest dwarf, right? But Rocky's got a whopping 5,500 pascals extreme suction. That's like trying to vacuum up a black hole. If you've got pet hair, dirt, or the remnants of your last existential crisis, Rocky's the one to beat. Reviewers have praised Rocky's ability to handle pet hair and heavy dirt with ease, while Sharky is considered good but not exceptional in this department. Time to talk about the self-emptying base. Sharky's got a bagless base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. No bags, no fuss, but Rocky's dock is like a Swiss Army knife with auto washing, hot air drying, and self-emptying for up to 7 weeks. It even has a 5L water tank. It's basically a mini car wash for your floors. Your move, Sharky. Reviewers love the convenience of Rocky's multifunctional dock, while Sharky's simplicity appeals to those who prefer less maintenance. And now, the mopping game. Sharky's like, what's mopping? But Rocky's got dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. It's like a dance party for your floors. Plus, Rocky lifts its mops when it hits carpets, so it's not dragging a wet mop over your shag rug like a toddler with a popsicle. Reviewers appreciate Rocky's effective mopping and its ability to handle different floor types seamlessly. Navigation time. Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision for precision home mapping. It's like having a tiny, diligent robot architect. But Rocky's got PresaSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology. You can even add virtual furniture. It's basically playing The Sims with your vacuum. If you've ever wanted to see your couch in 3D, Rocky's your guy. Reviews indicate that both vacuums map homes well, but Rocky's advanced features provide an edge in customization and accuracy. Voice control? Sharky's got you covered with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Just shout commands like you're the robot overlord. Rocky, on the other hand, is too busy being a tech genius to hear you. It's all about precision and avoiding obstacles. So if you're into yelling at your appliances, Sharky's your pick. Reviewers find Sharky's voice control convenient, while Rocky's focus on precision appeals to tech enthusiasts. Reviewers have generally positive feedback for both Shark AI Ultra and Roborock Q Revo. Shark AI Ultra is praised for its affordability, effective performance on hard floors, and user-friendly app, though it struggles with carpets and can be noisy. Roborock Q Revo receives accolades for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and effective mopping, making it worth the higher price for many users. Both vacuums have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and preferences. All right, smart shoppers, time to pick your fighter. Is it Sharky, the budget-friendly, voice-controlled cleaning machine, or Rocky, the high-tech, mop-wielding powerhouse? Let us know in the comments below which one you're rooting for. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a vacuum dance-off to judge. See ya!